Hello everyone. Following the related angles, we have example number 1. If the directed angle of measure theta in the standard position -3/5 and 4/5. Okay, as we said here, يبقى here we have x which is cosine. يبقى cosine theta it will be -3/5. Okay, and y we said y equals sine theta. يبقى sine theta it will be 4/5. Okay, get tan theta. Tan theta equals what? Y over x or sine over x. So 4/5 divided -3/5, it will be -4/3. Okay, first find sine 180 plus theta. Okay, as we said, first determine the angle, kind or even. Here 180 kind, يبقى sine it will be sine theta. Okay, second determine the sine 180 plus, يبقى write asterisk rule. Okay, 180 plus it will be in the third. Sine in the third it will be negative. So here negative sine theta. Okay, direct substitution. Sine theta 4/5 يبقى -4/5. Okay, another one. Cosine 180 minus theta. 180 kind angle, so it will be cosine theta. Okay, 180 minus in second. Cosine in second it will be negative, يبقى negative cosine theta. Here cosine theta -3/5 يبقى -3/5. It will be 3/5. Another one. Cotan 360 plus theta. 360 kind angle, يبقى it will be cotan theta. Okay, 360 plus in the first. Okay, يبقى all in the first are positive، يبقى it will be cotan theta. طيب cotan theta يعني 1/10، يعني reciprocal 10 it will be -3/4. The last one sec pi over 2. Pi 180 يبقى pi over 2 it will be 90 degree. 90 degree even angle، يبقى sec it will be cosec. Don't forget. Okay, يبقى here we have cosec theta. Okay, 90 plus it will be in the second. In the second الكوسيك السec will be negative. الاس دي بتاعت الساين والكوسيك. اوكي، طيب يا ميس هنا الكوسيك اهي، لا الكوسيك ريزلت احنا بنشوف الاكزامبل. هنا السك هي اللي بشوف الساين بتاعتها، يبقى الساين in the second السك in the second it will be negative. يبقى كوسيك نيجاتيف كوسيك ثيتا. كوسيك reciprocal اوف ساين، يبقى reciprocal يبقى 5/4 and right negative، يبقى -5/4. Okay, another example. Here we have cosine theta equal -4/5. Okay, and theta between pi/2 and pi. يعني ايه؟ يعني in the second quad. يعني if we draw the coordinates here 0, 90 which is pi/2, and here 180 which is pi, 270 which is 3pi/2, and 362 pi. Okay, asterisk rule. Asterisk. Okay, here we have cosine theta -4/5. طيب we want to get sine والtan والكوتان والسec والكوسيك، يبقى right angled triangle. Here we have theta -4/5. -4 يبقى الادجacent here -4 and 5 الhypotenuse. Okay, by using Pythagoras theorem to get the value of the opposite، يبقى 5/2 minus -4 all to the power 2 under the square root it will be 3. اتفقنا؟ يبقى هنا cosine theta -4/5. sine theta it will be opposite over hypotenuse، يبقى 3/5. tan theta it will be opposite over adjacent، يعني -3/4. Okay, get the values. tan 270 plus 270 evil، يبقى here tan it will be cotan، يبقى cotan theta. Okay, determine the sine. 270 plus يعني in the force tan in the force it will be negative، يبقى negative cotangent theta. cotangent reciprocal of tan يعني 4 over negative 3 وفي هنا negative يبقى 4 over 3. okay another one sine 90 minus theta 90 evil يبقى sine it will be cosine 90 minus in the second all in the second are positive so it will be cosine theta which is cosine theta negative 4 over 5. another one cosec negative theta. okay as we said we have only cosine and sec which is 8 the sine and all the remainder will get the sine outside so here it will be negative cosec theta. cosec reciprocal of sine. okay يبقى here we have negative 5 over 3. okay another one sec 360 minus 360 kind يبقى sec it will be sec. okay 360 in the force sec in the force it will be positive so it will be positive sec theta. sec theta reciprocal of cosine. cosine we have here negative 4 over 5 يبقى the result will be negative 5 over 4. the last one cotangent 3 pi over 2 pi here 180 يبقى دي 270 even يبقى cotangent it will be 10. okay 270 minus 270 minus in the third 10 it will be positive so tan theta. okay tan theta it will be negative 4 over 3. sorry negative 3 over 4 tan negative 3 over 4. okay here. okay we have some remarks. we studied in the last year in prep 3 sine alpha equals cosine beta so we have alpha plus beta equals 90 degree. يبقى if we have the sum of two angles is 90 or the two angles are complementary يبقى sine angle equal cosine another. okay or sec the angle equal cosec the another tan angle equal cotan another. okay or we have sine alpha over cosine beta equals 1 يبقى sine الانجل over cosine its complementary equals 1 like sine 30 over cosine 60 equals 1 and check in your calculator. sine 42 over 48 equals 1. okay sine 90 minus theta over cosine theta all of this the result will be 1. okay we have some examples. first find the value of x if sine x equal cosine 72 degree 28 minutes. okay as we said sine angle equal cosine angle يبقى the sum of two angles is 90 degree يبقى here we have x plus 72 degree 28 minutes equals 90 degree. it's an equation. move 72 degree 28 minutes in the second side by negative so we have x equals 90 degree minus 72 degree 28 minutes the result will be 17 degree and 32 minutes. okay another one tan x plus 27 equals cotan 2x as we said يبقى two angles the sum of them is 90 يبقى x plus 27 plus 2x equals 90 collect x together يبقى 3x equals 90 move 27 in the other by negative 27 يبقى 3x equals 63 move 3 in the other side by divided يبقى x equals 63 divided 3 it will be 21 يبقى x here it will be 21. okay another one find the value of theta if sine 3 theta plus 28 equal 2 theta minus 13. okay like the previous. يبقى sum of two angles is 90. يبقى we have 3 theta plus 28 plus 2 theta minus 13 equals 90. يبقى 3 theta و 2 theta 5 theta. يبقى here we have 5 theta. Here 28 minus 13 يبقى plus 15 equals 90. Move 15 in the other by negative. يبقى 5 theta equals 90 minus 15. يبقى 5 theta equals 75. To get the value of theta, move 5 in the other by divided 5. يبقى 75 divided 5 it will be 15. يبقى the value of theta it will be 15. We have another example. Find the solution set of each of the following. Number 1, 2 sine theta minus 1 equals 0 and theta belongs to 0 pi over 2. It means theta in the second quad. Okay, first it's an equation. First move 1 in the other side, so we have 2 sine theta equals 1. okay, move 2 in the other by divided. يبقى we have sine theta equals half. Here sine theta is positive. okay, sine positive in what in the quads. Here 0, 90, 180 and 270, 360. Aztec rule is sine positive in first and second. okay, يبقى theta here lies in the first quad, first and second quad. okay, طيب هنا here الacute angle theta equals half, so theta it will be sine minus 1 الهاف اللي هي shift sine it will be 30. okay, and its equivalent, or here we have theta equals 180 minus 30 it will be 150, but here 150 refused. why? because he gives me theta belongs to 0 and pi over 2. يعني here we have theta in the second. يبقى 150 refused. يعني هنا الثيتا acute only. يبقى السولوشن set only 30 degree. okay, thank you.